up, YouTube? Hope you guys are good. Today is a Saturday, and I'm going to be running through the trades that I took yesterday on Nasdaq. So let's get it. On my previous video, you remember we took the sell. We ended up breaking the zone I was talking about. Not keen, but I mean it makes sense because we entered during the New York session, so most of the time, there was not a lot of volume in the market, but on the New York session yesterday, we ended up hitting the TP and getting inside of another trade again. This buy here on the same demand that we took a trade on my first video, the one that I showed you. So I enter here, my risk reward was 1 is to 3.7, which was good. Ended up hitting TP, and then around 9 we entered for sales here. We're still in the trade. We hope that Monday we're going to push price to the downside. And then why did I took this trade? You'll see this. We're talking about it on my previous video. We took a high here, created a demand here. The price respected it. The price is respecting it again. Simple. Why I'm saying the zone is a demand, because when we have a high, it's either when the price reach it, we're going to respect it, go to the downside, create a resistance, or we're just going to break it. And if we break it, we're creating a demand, because if we didn't break it, we're creating a resistance which we're going to respect. So it's a 50-50 situation all the time. Basically, if you have a high, it's either it's going to get taken out or there'll be a resistance, same as if we have a low. So that is why I took those buys. Right now you can see that we are trading in a range which is okay. I'm killing this range. Really hope that we're going to decide next week. We need to break the supply or this demand, and then I'm going to this demand, the supply zone that keeps holding. Let me show you where the supply keep coming from, because you might think that this guy has cheat codes or setting zones or what. So let me just show you, break it down to your why price keep respecting my zone here. So my PC is slow too, but I think it's because of gaming, but I've been gaming a lot on this laptop. I need a new PC, but so here you'll see this, we were having an uptrend, and then we went up, we created a high, and then we created a low. Let me zoom in more. Oh my god, this PC is slow. Okay, we have it now. We have a high, we have a low, and then inside that we have a range. If you can see it here it is. This is a range I'm talking about because the price keep going up and down on the same place, same as what is happening currently. And then we had this trend here. We intersected our trend line, and then I want to talk about this box right here. You'll see that we're trading in a range inside a trend line. You can see here we have a like little candles of sales. We have a little sale here. There was not a lot of volume, not a lot of movement. Nothing much was like happening. And then all of a sudden we had this bearish candle here. This sell right here came. What did this sell do? It broke a range. It broke a trend line. This sell right here is the one that decided that we are actually going to the downside instead of us going to the upside. This was a decider here, bro, that now we're going to the downside. After this break, I knew that we are going to the downside. There is no like coming back. This happened, we closed below. We closed below the range. We closed below the trend line. And then there was a lot of sales there after. This is what I call a real supply zone. This is simple supply zone, bro. Simple, simple. Then after we went to the downside, so this is the supply zone that is in play right now. It's not the first time. Um, it happened here, 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 here. It came here, went down like crazy, 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 crazy. Also, in the last video, when I was talking about this is a full margin setup, this is a full margin trade, I was not playing with y'all. Here, I entered here, I went crazy. I went crazy here. And then you also, I entered here. When was it? Thursday, 10th of October. Yeah, Thursday. I entered here, and I entered here yesterday. So yeah. It's simple. It's simple. Right now, I have showed you some of the trades that are in my playbook, the one that I utilize. Um, First one that I showed you is this one. We take a high, creates a demand. We trade in a range, we trade in a trend, we break a trend line, we create a supply, and then we execute. Simple. With those two setups, bro, you can make money like any day on the market because those are like recurring. If we break this and we go to the downside, the only way we can break this is to show like serious volume, and when that happens we'll be creating a supply. So it's an it's a continuous thing. It doesn't stop, it doesn't end, bro. It doesn't end, it keep on like going and like going and like going. So yeah, what I'm hoping for next week, um I don't know. I don't know. Gold has hit its highest high this year. When I think it says when September or August. The gold reached its highest high. So hey man, I don't know. After it's fell you also there. So hey, I don't know. But I really hope that we we push to the downside. Probably we break this. Maybe I need to sign in now. We break this and then we come lower to this demand, maybe hold or maybe even go lower again. I don't know. I really don't know. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going to make another video. I'll be analyzing the Euro USD, and I'll be showing you my other trades. I'll actually show you that all my trades that I took yesterday, because I also took I think USD, Japanese yen, and Euro USD, and something crazy happened on the USD Japan.